Stronger at 70? Eat these 3 cheeses every day, doctors advise. If you're over 65 and feel like your strength just isn't what it used to be, you're not alone. Millions of older adults quietly lose muscle every year, a condition doctors call sarcopenia. Most people don't even realize it's happening until something goes wrong. A missed step, trouble getting out of a chair, or worse, a fall. Here's the truth that might shock you. By the time we reach 70, we've already lost up to 25 to 30% of our muscle mass compared to our younger years. And if we do nothing, that number keeps climbing. But here's the good news. Science now shows you can rebuild muscle after 65. And one of the simplest, most delicious ways to start might already be sitting in your fridge. While most people think of cheese as an indulgence, certain cheeses, when chosen wisely, are actually powerful tools for older adults to regain strength, improve mobility, and stay independent. Research from the Journal of Nutrition and Aging found that older adults who consumed at least 25 grams of dairy-based protein daily showed significantly higher muscle protein synthesis, even without intense workouts. So why cheese? Because the right kinds are rich in casein, leucine, and even some whey protein, a nutrient combination that works like a repair kit for your muscles. In this video, we'll uncover 3 specific cheeses doctors quietly recommend to patients over 65. They're not fancy imports or pricey health store finds. They're widely available, easy to enjoy, and incredibly effective. I'll show you exactly how much to eat, when to eat it, and why timing matters more than you think. If you're ready to start your muscle comeback, stay with me until the end. And if you're passionate about aging strong and living well after 65, hit that subscribe button and tap the bell so you never miss a new tip. 1. Cottage cheese, the overnight muscle protector. When people hear cottage cheese, they often think of bland diet plates from decades ago. But this humble food might be one of the most powerful tools to rebuild muscle after 65. Why it works. Half a cup of low-fat cottage cheese has 14 grams of high-quality protein and only 81 calories. Nearly 70% of its calories come from protein. Compare that to cheddar, which only gets about 24% from protein. It's rich in casein, a slow-digesting protein that feeds your muscles over 6 to 8 hours. That's why it's perfect before bed. Your muscles get a steady stream of amino acids all night long. A study in the British Journal of Nutrition found that eating casein-rich foods before sleep significantly reduced overnight muscle breakdown in older adults. Cottage cheese also packs over 1 gram of leucine per half cup, the amino acid that switches on muscle growth. As we age, our muscles need more leucine to respond. Experts recommend around 3 grams per meal to fully stimulate growth. Cottage cheese gets you a third of the way there in just a few spoonfuls. How to eat it. Sweet, mix with blueberries and a drizzle of honey for breakfast. Savory, pair with chopped tomato, cucumber, and dill for a Mediterranean twist. Hidden, blend into smoothies or spreads for extra protein without changing taste. Best time, morning or before bed. In the morning, it fuels your muscles after fasting all night. Before bed, it protects them while you sleep. 2. Gruyere, the muscle and bone defender. There's a quiet moment many people in their late 60s know well. You bend down to pick something up, and it's harder than it used to be to stand back up. Your knees shake, your legs hesitate. If that sounds familiar, Gruyere cheese might surprise you. This golden, nutty Swiss cheese supports both muscles and bones, 2 systems that keep you mobile and independent. Muscle power. Gruyere is dense with complete protein, 9 grams per ounce, and packed with leucine. That leucine is critical to older adults because small protein doses don't wake up the muscles like they used to. Gruyere helps you reach that 2.53 gram leucine target faster, especially when paired with eggs or legumes. Bone strength. Gruyere is also high in vitamin K2, rare in most foods, but crucial for directing calcium to your bones instead of your arteries. Studies show adequate K2 intake is linked to a 25% lower risk of hip fractures in adults over 65. You also get over 250 milligrams of calcium and a healthy dose of phosphorus, key minerals for strong bone structure. How to eat it. Breakfast, soft scrambled eggs with grated Gruyere on whole grain toast. Lunch, melt into a veggie sandwich or add to soup for extra protein. Dinner, mix into quinoa pilaf or baked eggplant. Snack, pear cubes with apple slices or almonds. Because Gruyere is aged, it's low in lactose and easier to digest than many cheeses. Good news for sensitive stomachs. 3. Goat cheese, the gentle digestive ally. As we age, our relationship with food changes. Appetite shifts. Some meals feel heavier, and for many, dairy becomes harder to digest. Goat cheese offers a solution. Made from goat's milk, it has smaller fat molecules and less lactose, making it far easier on digestion. For those who thought cheese was off the table, this is your comeback. Why it's great for muscles. 1 ounce delivers about 7 grams of complete protein, all 9 essential amino acids your muscles need. It also contains medium-chain fatty acids, which your body uses immediately for energy instead of storing as fat. That quick energy helps fuel daily movement and supports protein use for muscle repair. Goat cheese also supplies phosphorus for muscle contraction, zinc for tissue healing, and selenium to combat inflammation. Plus, it's naturally lower in sodium than many cheeses, good for blood pressure management. How to eat it. Breakfast, spread on whole grain toast with strawberries or avocado. Lunch, pair with roasted vegetables in a wrap. Dinner, crumble over spinach and quinoa salad or stuff into mushrooms. Snack, serve with apple slices or walnuts for a balanced mini meal. It's soft, spreadable, and works in sweet or savory dishes, perfect for smaller appetites or sensitive teeth. Why these cheeses work together? Each cheese plays a different role in your muscle recovery plan. Cottage cheese feeds muscles slowly overnight or kickstarts them in the morning. Gruyere combines high protein with bone-protecting nutrients. Goat cheese delivers protein in a gentle, easy-to-digest form. They're widely available, easy to store, and versatile enough to fit into breakfast, lunch, dinner, or snacks without overhauling your diet. Daily target. Aim for 3 to 4 ounces total across the day, spread over meals to keep muscle protein synthesis active. The bigger picture. This isn't just about adding cheese to your meals. It's about reclaiming confidence. The confidence to carry groceries without strain, to get up from a chair without thinking twice, to walk through your day without feeling fragile. Imagine 3 months from now. You've made cheese a regular, intentional part of your diet. You're moving more easily. Your balance is steadier. Maybe the stairs feel less intimidating. You didn't get there with extreme workouts or expensive supplements. You got there with small, consistent steps and the right fuel. Your muscles aren't gone. They're waiting for the signal to grow again. And now, you know exactly where to find that signal. If you learned something new today, hit that like button. It helps more seniors find life-changing tips like this. Share this with a parent, friend, or neighbor, because strength is worth sharing. And don't forget to subscribe and turn on notifications so you never miss more simple, science-backed ways to stay healthy, independent, and strong. So tell me in the comments, which of these cheeses will you try first?